we need to clarify something after our last lesson. We have, during the lesson, we have discussion about the tunica externa. Thank you for this critical, your critical approach. I promised to do the research, and this is what I found. It is true that the tunica externa in arteries is relatively not that thick as in case of veins. Why is it so? Arteries have a thick muscular wall, so the tunica media is rich in smooth muscles, which are to some extent stronger or slighter but contracted, because here blood pressure is constantly regulated because it must be constant and have a value 120/80 milligram mercury. This is the reference value of blood pressure in healthy human. In comparison to that, the wall of vein has a relatively thin muscular wall, so that's why the structure and structure of the vein relates more on this thickness of the tunica externa. As you can see here, this layer is also rich in blood vessels, meaning that this tunica externa has additional role. It is not included into our program, but it is interesting in my opinion that this is the supply of blood to external wall of both arteries and veins, because here this layer is a kind of a insulator, meaning that the gas exchange and exchange of nutrients is not significant. Moreover, in many veins, the nutrient level here is very low and oxygen level is very low. So basically, these tissues, if these layers, if they had the oxygen, take the oxygen and nutrients from the lumen, they would not be supplied effectively with these substances. That's why I introduced the modification in the table we analyzed in the previous video. So you can see that it has changed in this aspect. So the thickness of the wall, the tunica externa, and for artery and vein, and the description is also slightly different. And this is the clarification related to this issue we had during the lesson. Thank you for your attention and see you later. Bye-bye.